Alright, what's up guys? Oh, I'm gonna do a trade recap today. I lost 1.8% on SPX. I'm gonna go through why I lost this trade. I'm gonna figure out with you guys why we lost this trade. Alright, so bias of S&P was bullish still. We have been bullish like this past 3 months. Weekly liquidity is all the way up there, so we expect weekly to go all the way up. Daily is still bullish, 4 hours still bullish, and if the daily and 4 hour are bullish, then my bias is bullish as well for a trade that I take. So that's what I did today. I'm marking out the daily liquidity right here, right there, and here as well. Yeah, we took that out already. So that's the only daily liquidity we have left. And then we go to the 4 hour, and we had this 4 hour order block, as you can see, sweep of liquidity right there, broke structure. Drag it all the way right there. So that's the order block. Then we have some liquidity right there, but we aren't there yet. 44 hour, I mean. So yeah, that's what it looked like when market opened. Yeah, this is what it looked like when market opened. Daily, only this candle, and it was, I don't know, in the middle or something. 4 hour, we had this 4 hour low right there that we swept, and then we went up a bit, and we respected this 2 hour for value gap on the 4 hour. So that's kind of when bearish. Of course, we swept liquidity right there on the 2 hour. Actually broke structure too, so that's why. So we broke the structure on the 2 hour, and actually we're bearish on the 2 hour. Then we respected this 2 hour for value gap, but the 4 hour was still bullish, so my bias was bullish as well. Then we go back to the 4 hour, and then we have this liquidity right there, like kind of going into pre-market. And what it looked like when market opened was sweep of liquidity, then going all the way up. And on the 4 hour, the candle looked like a really bullish candle, so that looked like a really good liquidity sweep. But actually what market did was liquidity sweep on the 4 hour, and then went all the way up and swept liquidity on the 2 hour, or yeah, on the 4 hour I mean as well. Swept liquidity and then went all the way down. So the trade that I lost, that I took, was this trade. Market opened, swept that 4 hour liquidity, went all the way up. This is where 1 minute broke structure, but this is actually in pre-market, and as I learned, I don't take trades in pre-market, so that's what I did. It went all the way up. Never gave SMC traders a good setup here, or maybe someone entered off of I don't know, this late candle right here. I don't know, I'd stop right there. I don't know, that's not a good entry for me, but maybe someone did it. So broke structure right here, rip all the way up, then actually swept this these 4 hour highs. So that's probably because why I lost the trade. But actually what was there too is a 50-minute order block. So orders get liquidity sweep, I mean orders get filled, go down, and let's see order block. So yeah, it actually swept these 4 hour there's actually like 3-4 hour candles, and it swept that. So 4 hours sweep of liquidity, 4 hour sweep of liquidity, but actually what I thought was going to happen is just direction of the order block. I didn't really had in mind that that market was gonna sweep this 4-hour highs, or even that these were 4-hour highs. So I was only thinking of the order block, the 50-minute order block. So what I thought is erection of the 50-minute order block, and then fill up this 5-minute fair value gap. Even had like small liquidity right there, because people were thinking it was going up. So like really small liquidity. And then I have these three numbers I added by myself. So 0618 is for my entry when I have like a lot of confluences that are saying like the market's going up. So what I have is that it only comes here and then I enter right away. It doesn't have to be a liquidity sweep because I trade then on a higher time frame like this one. So this actually was a 15-minute trade, only 1 minute. So I hope you guys understand it like somehow. But yeah. So, but that wasn't even what I entered off because my confidences weren't that good. I wanted a small liquidity sweep because we reacted off this 50-minute order block. So what I wanted was let's go back to the 50-minute. So what I wanted was equilibrium right there, and that it comes in line with the 382, but I wanted a liquidity sweep of some kind. So I waited for the first liquidity that was there. So that was here. So liquidity got like swept, and we even broke structure as well. So that was giving me like a really good like thought for it to go up again. I respect this for value gap still. Like it wicked down here. I respect it like here because on the 3-minute actually you can see that this candle was in the chart as well, so that looks really good, right? So I have my TP on the 50-minute as well. First TP were these highs, green, and these highs. Only I can use a 0.2 lot size because my account balance isn't that high, so that's why I only have 2. I added third up there as well. If I even had more than 0.2 lots, but yeah, only at this time. But yeah, market never did that. So my trade failed and I lost 1.8%. Still in a demo account, but still I'm losing. So yeah, so this liquidity, or liquidity, I mean broke structure, and I thought it was going up, but actually what it did is it tanked down. And why did it do that? Yeah, we're gonna figure out. So, alright, so what I didn't really see, I think, were that these were wait, I had this, yeah, these were 4-hour highs. So 4-hour highs got swept, and then we had a 15-minute order block as well. But actually what's kind of weird to me is that in pre-market, like 5 minutes before pre-market, we sweep this and then we went all the way up. Then my top was going here and then all the way up as well. But what market did was sweep 4-hour highs or 4-hour lows, then swept 4-hour highs and then tanked. So I don't know, it's kind of hard for me to understand this one. I most of the time figure it out pretty easily, and then I do a recap by myself, and then I see like, oh yeah, that's why I did that. But this one's pretty hard, in my opinion. What it did as well, there wasn't a order block because it didn't sweep anything here actually. But yeah, I don't know, maybe did respect that, but alright, so 4 hour lows got swept, 4 hour highs got swept and then tanked. So yeah, that, I don't know, it's pretty hard. But maybe what you could have done is I only took one trade and then called it a day. But what you could have done is waited until the 4 hour close, the 4 hour candle, that it gave confirmation that it actually broke structure right here, because yeah, right there, broke structure right there. On the by the way, on the 2 hour we were bearish, and that's what it continued as well. So that's one thing that I do understand. But on the daily and 4 hour we were bullish, so that's why I took the trade on a bullish. That's why I take a bullish trade. But still, 2 hours was bearish, and we respected that. So yeah, that's one thing that I do understand. But yeah, let's go back. So yeah, what I was saying is, you could have waited until this candle was closed, until this candle begins. So that's like, oh yeah, like 4 hours. So I mean, the 4 hour you could have waited until the 4 hour candle closed. So that was from 14:30 to 18. So that's like 3.5 hours you have to wait. Damn, 3.5 hours you had to wait before that candle closed. But after it closed, you could have you could have took another trade. So that's right here. So this when the 4 hour candle closed, and that's actually beneath here. So 4 hour. So maybe what you could have done is right here is when it closed. What could have you done? Actually, I took this trade on FX as well, but I was looking at another charts because I had this happen, like I don't know, I had this happen before. So what actually happened is here, you didn't see sweep of liquidity here. So that's actually why I added it as well, because that liquidity never got swept. It was my thought process, and that's why I entered as well. So this my whole entry. But on the other chart, on this chart, that's actually where was it? Oh shit. Wait, I lost it. Oh, here. Yeah, we're here. So, right? Yeah, like this where market opened and swept this liquidity. Didn't sweep it on this chart. FX didn't sweep it. Market opened, didn't sweep it. But on this, what it did was market opened and it did sweep. Look, it went all the way up there. Look how clean that sweep was. So that's why I switched to this chart and put it on top of there, because I want to take trades on this one now. But I don't know, I think this chart is sometimes is good and sometimes that one is good. So yeah, I don't know. But yeah, so yeah, where were we? This is where the candle closes, the 4 hour candle. And what you could have done is the same here. Yeah, okay, so no sweep of liquidity right there, but yeah, let's go back here. Alright, so no sweep of liquidity here, so no entry off of here, but you can see it did react off this fair value gap on the 5 minute probably. 3 minute. Yeah, alright, so yeah, it did that. So no sweep of liquidity actually then. So I don't know about that trade then, but I wanna see some kind of sweep of liquidity. Did react off this actually a order block, like a really small order block. So you could have taken the trade or this order block, but I never do that. I only take trades off of some some kind of liquidity sweep. So, what you could have done right here. Boom. 3 minute, 4 hour broke structure right here. So then you look, after this 4 hour candle closes, you look for any kind of bearish trade. So what happened here is right there. Boom. That was clean. But yeah, what happened here is you could have what I probably would have done. Oh no, first I wait for a liquidity sweep, but I still keep this in mind. I still have this a gap box for fair value gap set up, and then I see that then I see that it swept, or that it went down here. Candle close, you think, oh, it's going all the way down, but actually what market did is went up even more and swept this liquidity. And what it did is it never broke structure on the 1 minute. You can see bearish all the way from here to here, then went up but never broke bearish structure. This all is still bearish right here, still bearish. This is the high that needs to be broken, and you can see we never do. So what you could have done is went short on this break structure, and then don't have your stop right here, but have your stop like on top of this or above this, so like 30 pips or 30 points. Have it all the way up there, and then you can target 0.9. I wouldn't take that. I would take, oh damn, look at this. These are all 3 equal lows, so this is definitely the first take profit right there. Right there, boom, green. So that's the trade already. But then where you can target more, you look on the 4 hour, or you look on the daily. I mean, because we broke 4 hour structure on this candle close. So what could you have done more? Obviously equilibrium. Then equilibrium comes in line with this fair value gap, then comes probably in line with look for levels between this, so comes in line with even this fair value gap. But yeah, I leave this one, and then look for liquidity. So I went to the 50 minute first peak. Yeah, look, we're all the way down there, so you could have done this like this. This already got taken out, so don't look at that. But you see nothing on the 30 minute here, so I go most of the time I just go from the 30 to the 15, but what you can see here is 20 minute liquidity, probably the same as 15 though. Yeah, so 50 minute liquidity that comes in line with this 618 level. If you even want to play more safe and have it at least at the 0.618, then I think my chart is it okay? I hope it's okay. Got some trouble here. Oh, fuck. Let's go back. Lol. Alright, so you could even went right here, look on the 10 minute already. This is a really safe take profit, because at least you want these levels to be hit, but that's a really safe take profit. But you could have done either of those two, and then it went, oh yeah, give me this. Then when it leads all the way down there, you can see it did, and this is probably the reaction that it will have. Maybe even swept these. Didn't on this chart, maybe on this chart. Damn. Damn. What's happening? What is this? Oh damn, I got some internet issues apparently. What is this? Alright. So did we on this chart? Look, it's so weird. It's so weird. Look on this chart. We didn't sweep these. Or, yeah, we didn't sweep it. We just touched it. And over here it did. look, right there, and you see right here, look on the line, right there. It did sweep, so you could have taken profit right here as well. And I expect it to go like all the way up down. But yeah, that's damn. Damn, is this because I'm recording such a bit rate? Alright, damn. So this is what you could have done right there. Boom, 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 boom. So after the 4-hour broke structure, you could have taken you could have taken a 4-hour or I mean a daily retracement on the 4-hour. I don't know. But yeah, this is what you could have done. So my trade wasn't good. You could have, I call it a day, but what you could have done is waited for some sort of entry, and that was right here. So reaction of this 3-minute fair value gap, then it even broke or swept these, reacted off of a 1-minute fair value gap, all respected. Look, not even a candle in or candle close above there. Look, perfectly respected, and then even broke structure right here. So right there on that. Wait. Yeah, right there. Right. So right there, and that's your trade. So that's a 4.57 risk reward hit, and my trade 1.8% loss. But yeah, I learned from it today, and you guys hopefully too. Yeah, I don't know, it's kind of fun to do this. I learned from it, and I don't know, maybe someone watches this and learns from it too. But thanks for watching, and I won't do one tomorrow because I have work. Friday is the only day that I can't trade, so probably have nothing tomorrow. But I will keep the charts. I will keep an eye on the charts, of course, but I can't trade on MetaTrader and my demo account. But yeah, I'll probably do this like every day, and yeah, thank you for watching.